The 2015-2020 Hyundai Sonata key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. These batteries are widely available at most retailers. To begin replacement, gather a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Locate the seam on the fob, usually between the key blade and the remote buttons. Insert the tool into the notch and gently pry the case open. If the case is stuck, apply a small amount of heat using a hairdryer for 10 to 20 seconds to soften the clips before attempting to pry it open again. Be careful not to damage the internal components when opening the case. Use the screwdriver to carefully remove the old battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. If there is corrosion, clean the contacts with rubbing alcohol. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up, ensuring it snaps into place. Reassemble the fob by aligning the halves and pressing firmly until the clips click. Test the buttons to ensure they function correctly. If the remote is still not working, try resetting the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds, or reprogram via the vehicle's ignition by cycling the key to the on position 10 times. If problems persist, consider corrosion, physical damage, or internal faults. For further diagnostics, consult a professional.